So for your password reset on DuceCRM, if you forget your password, that is not an issue. You come over here and click on forgot password and enter your email address, and DuceCRM will send you a reset link right away. So click on here to send the reset link. So a link has already been sent to your email, so you have to go to your email to update that. So go over here, click on reset password for you to be able to reset your password on this CRM. Then the tab will take you over to this page over here for you to reset your password. Then you click on update password for your password to be updated. So over here, your password has been updated. This is how you reset your password on this CRM.